Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and I'm happy to present you my project called Network, and this project is a part of the Harvard course Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. On the left side you can see the specification of the project, on the right side the implementation itself. Let's dive to the first specification, which is the new post. Of course that if I am not logged in I can't write anything. So first of all I have to log in, and now I made the decision to go for the option where the new post is on the top of all post page. So I can write hello world. Okay, hello world, and I post it, and it appears right here. So the first specification is done. Second specification is about all posts. So if I click on all posts, I will see all the posts made by all users. This is the name of the username, the content of the post, edit button, which will be seen in the next specification, timestamp, and the number of likes. So it's all about all posts. Profile page. If I click on the profile page, I can see number of following and number of followers, and of course all the posts made by TMSHTS in this case, and which is shown in the reverse chronological order. So based on the timestamp we can prove it. And I can't follow myself, however I can follow, let's say, Eva. I can follow, and it's not necessary to refresh the page in order to see the change of the number of the followers. I can click on follow and you can see here number one follow without refreshing the page. It was the profile page. Now following. If I click on the following, I can see all the posts from the people I follow. I follow Eva. That's why I see here the Eva's post. If I unfollow, I don't see here anything. So it's about, and of course if I am not logged in, I can't see this following option. Okay, so it's about the following. Pagination, only 10 posts on the page. I don't see here any first, any previous page since I'm on the first page. Once I click on the number 2, it appears first, previous buttons, and next, last, since they are still next and last page. If I click on the third, voila, no next, no last, since I'm on the last page, but I can go back to the first. So this one is working. It's as well implemented in the profile and in all posts. So basically in all necessary pages like TMS profile page, all posts, and the following. Edit post. I can't edit post of Eva, but I can change the post of myself only. So if I 3 points and I made the decision, okay, no, I'm sorry, I changed my mind, I just cancel. So no change is seen. If I go hello folks and I save, it's updated without the refreshing the page, which is the thanks to the JavaScript and the fetching. As well, I said that there's a text area, save button, cancel button, and that's it. Last specification is about like and unlike. I don't see the reason why TMSHTS can't like his post. So it's possible to like without the refreshing the page. It's updated automatically without the. It's just thanks to the JavaScript and the fetch. And you can see here as well. I can like as well other. If I dislike, like, and I click, so it's here as well. So everything is working, all the specification. Thank you very much for paying attention, and have a nice day. Ciao.